Good morning and good evening and welcome back to another video. Today we're in Vietnam and I rented a motorbike and we're gonna go exploring. Specifically we're in Hanoi and this is my motorbike. A little standard 125cc, but I'm in Hanoi, Vietnam, where the traffic is crazy. And I think I'm going to try and go to Ba Vi. So let's hop on this motorbike and get driving. Imagine biking with that on the back. Insane, I could never, especially not in Hanoi. So, it's super loud. I'm about 45 minutes into the drive. I'm in a small town called Ho Loc. There, you can, maybe it'll work, no. But I got quite a while to go. My hands are absolutely freezing, so I got some beef pho, and it's so warm. Feels amazing. Amazing on my fingers, but... Hello.
Hello.
Very good.
Okay.
This is what's around. I'll show you the... Huh?
Ngon.
Good? Very good. And yeah, so here, let's say goodbye. Bye-bye. So I just finished grubbing that beef pho. That was gas. That's like some of the best I've had. And I also wanted to show these. See, so these are like super similar to Crave. They're like these little chocolate-filled pillows. This is the hazelnut flavor. They also have this coconut flavor that's also amazing. Here. Yep, there you go. Hazelnut little chocolate wheat pillows. Look at this though. This is, it's like literally like a garage, and I absolutely love it. Yeah, it's super good place to eat. I'll put the location of this in the description. So yeah, gonna go start riding again though. Well, I am now at the entrance of Ba Vi. I just paid to get in. It was 70,000 dong, so totally good price. That included an adult ticket, which was 60,000, and then 10 for the bike. You know, I think the bike's holding up pretty good. It does feel really rural. I don't think there will be that many people out because it is rainy, but I got about 10 more minutes on at the top, so gonna run it. Alright, well, positive I'm about to die here. There's definitely like ghosts and stuff like that here. Look at this. Oh, shout out to Mom for the orange gloves. Once again filming from the phone. There's no visibility. What a surprise. Look at this. So yes, I did just drive 3 hours to look at this. Damn. Very good. Completely outrageous. Well, I might just go. I think they got a cafe here, so I'm gonna go check that out. Not sure. I'm so cold. Oh, I should have brought my jacket. That was a big mistake. I didn't know that it would be this rainy. But I'm at the top still. I mean, you guys saw how foggy it was outside from those phone clips. So I'm still just chilling up here. Found this little cafe thing. They got a dog somewhere, but yeah, I got me a coffee because my hands were freezing, and a Hanoi beer because my hands were freezing. And this tragedy happened. My glove ripped. So, oh, look at him. He's getting his good stretch. Let's see these things. Oh, he is making chilling. Oh yeah. But I think I'm gonna hang out here for a bit and then warm up. And then man, that was impossible to get this thing started with my gloves on. It's still quite cold, but I kind of wanted to show you this slightly grim reality of what I'm working with on these views here at Bavi. Motherfucker. Way harder starting this with one hand than you think. Yeah, there's really not that much to see. Well, I didn't really film the last hour of my biking. I was just going super fast, full speed the whole way because I was so cold. But I got back to my hostel, showered a little bit, and now I'm gonna go get some banh mi because I haven't had some in a while. But I'm away. I'm gonna try and do some cinematic shots. So enjoy. Not sure how that's gonna work out because I've never used the slow-mo version, but I just got my food, or I just ordered. From this banh mi stand, I got the pork doner. So, Jesus. Excited to try, but that was like rapid fire. Look at these guys behind me. So, here it is, the pork doner. Banh mi. Honestly, kind of a tragic attempt at banh mi. This is not the best I've had, but it is what it is. It's the fashion I've got to make now. So here it is. Hope you guys enjoy.